Hi there, welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 21st, 2020. Yes, the fifth one. No, I do the binary first. Yes. The fifth one is a binary puzzle number 1, and this one will be number 1581. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there a one. And then well. Three double O, here one, there one. Then am I stuck? Yeah, seems like I'm stuck. 3 4 double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. 1 2 3 4 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. 4 ones. So the rest are 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there no. Then the fourth O, I cannot place it here, otherwise we have 3 ones in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then I need to, no, 1 2 3 4 4 1, so the rest are O's. Do I need to compare? Yeah, this column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 1 1. Empty box. I need to switch those two numbers. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. 1 2 3 4 4 1. So the rest are O's. 4 O's in this row. So the rest are ones. Do I need to compare again? Yes, this row and that row. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So I need to switch those two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O. Oh, 1 2 3 4 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then I need to compare again. Yes, double O. We do not have double O. 1. Yes, this one and that one. 110000111100. Empty box, empty box. I need to switch these two numbers. With O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes a 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. I will continue in a minute with the second binary puzzle. Thank you for watching and see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.